Conversation between Jack and the young man. Mr. Jack, excuse me, could you please tell me the way to the language section? Young men, sorry, I really don't know. You could ask the man at the counter over there. Mr. Jack, excuse me. Could you please direct me to the language section? The man, yes, it is in room 20. Go up the stairs to the first floor and then turn right. It is the first room on your left. Mr. Jack, first floor turn right, then. I am so sorry. Could you say that again, please? The man, yes, take the stair to the first floor, turn right, and it is the first room on your left. Room 20. Mr. Jack, thank you very much. The man, you are welcome.